What's up YouTube? Welcome to Agrawal Bros. I am Akshat, and in today's video I'm gonna tell you a super cool way through which you can make easy money online. So if you're interested in money making ideas, then you can visit my channel. I post regular content on how to make money online through Fiverr, through YouTube, by TikTok, and also by playing games like PUBG. So you can visit my channel, and if you like the videos, then you can subscribe to my channel, and you can also press the bell icon for instant notification so that you don't miss any new updates. So let's hop over to the method. So in this method I am basically gonna teach you how to get paid by writing articles and stuff for people. Now if you're wondering that writing is not your thing, then don't get worried because I have covered that also. So just keep on watching this video and follow along. So here I am on this site called Vibrant Life. Now let's talk about the money first. So you can see here payments. Payment is made upon acceptance of your article. Let me just yeah, so payment is made upon acceptance of your article is based on the quality of expression, accurate use of up-to-date research findings, depth and relevance of content. Payment for article ranges from $100 to $300. Okay, so this much is what you can expect from this site, is like $100 to $300. There are other sites as well like text broker, you can try that also, but this is just one very cool site that I've found out. So you have to visit this site, Vibrant Life. Okay, so it pays good money. And what type of articles do we want? uh, you can write about health, you can write about exercise, and you can write about nutrition, self-help, family, spiritual balance, challenges and triumphs, informational. There's a lot of things that you can, a lot of articles that you can write on this website. So now you might be wondering, well, yeah, I don't know how to write or something like that. And you need to visit this super cool, super awesome site called Quora, or Quora.com. Now, so this is what we are gonna do. We are gonna write our main keyword, that is health. For example, we are writing about health, then we will write health, and then we are gonna press the enter, and we are gonna see what results come up. So basically what we are gonna do is we are gonna use the articles from Quora to uh, submit articles on the Vibrant Life website. Now you may be wondering, well, it will be plagiarism and something like that. They will check us, they will see duplicacy of content, something like that. So just follow along this video, I have got you covered. Now what you're gonna do is you have to see what kind of topics are followed the most. Okay, you should start with those kind of topics. For example, you can see what is the best way to stay healthy. Open this up. So when you open this up, you see that there are 100 plus answers. So you have to find these kind of topics, and you have to find uh, topics with this much amount of answers and good amount of followers as well, so which indicates that the topic is popular and that many people are writing over it. The purpose of using Quora is that there are many experts sharing their knowledge on Quora for absolutely free. This is the best platform of internet, and Quora has good uh, good image in Google also. Google prefers this website. So the content which is uploaded on Quora website is up to date, relevant, and it's very top notch. So it's an amazing site. So what you have to do is you have to look at the articles, and you have to, like, say for example you saw this article. Okay, she is giving somewhere like no, not she. 1 second. Let's say you choose this article. Okay, by Sagar. This article has, a simple list for how I keep a tab on my mental and physical health. So uh, you know, you need to open up a notepad and pick up 1 or 2 points of this guy. Then you need to come over here, pick up 1 or 2 points of this guy. Then you need to come up over here, pick up 1 or 2 points of this guy. Then you need to open other answers. You need to pick up points from that as well. And this is how you make a compilation of different answers on same topic. And then you are gonna edit that answer, give it your own personal touch, and that's not very difficult. You can say, hey, this is what I recommend for healthier lifestyle or something like that. But you should, this was just a very simple example. You should pick up good, very drilled down niche specific topics. This was just a topic, this was very general topic. What is the best way to stay healthy? You can drill down further by what kinds of food to eat and what kind of diet to follow. There also you are gonna find different articles on Quora, so you can then make a compilation of different answers given by uh, the people on Quora regarding that particular topic. Make a compilation of that video. Sorry, make a compilation of those answers, and upload those answers on site like this Vibrant Life. Their Vibrant Life, and you can make good amount of money doing this over and over again. So if this is not just one site, a quick search on Google will reveal that there are many sites that you can go. And so there are many sites where you can go and earn easy money online. So you can see there are many sites like, there are many posts. 10 sites that will pay you to write articles, 30 gen website that will pay you to write instantly, top 17 content writing sites that pay instantly. So if so let's say for example I click on this one, and I come up with this. This is a blog post, so it lists down certain sites that pay you to write. So you can see Fun for Writers is one, List Versus another one, Cosmopolitan, Dollar Stretcher. They also give how much they pay. They pay, for example, $0.10 per word. That means you can make $100 for 1,000 words article. Site's name is Dollar Stretcher. So there are different websites, and there are variety of blog posts out there which tell us about different sites that pay money to write. So the method is very simple. You just need to select a topic of your interest, or the topic which is very popular, and then you need to head over to Quora, and then you need to provide very specific advice by choosing answers from a topic that is very popular in your selected niche. Make sure to compile answers of at least 10 people, and uh, do a little bit of editing, change some words, use synonyms, do certain things like that, change the intro, change the ending. If you do these kind of things, then you can easily submit your articles in one of these websites, and you can make easy money online. So if you like this video, then please smash that like button and also subscribe to my channel Agrawal Bros for more awesome content. Thank you so much.